Today, guys, I am actually heading down to Planet of Dreams to take a look at a car, right, that if I was in a relationship with, people would say I'm punching. That's how nice this car is. And this car is not a normal car, even stock. And it's even more not normal when it's been fiddled around with to make 600 brake horsepower, have 2 fat air intake, a crazy sounding exhaust. But by far, I think the maddest thing is, this car is actually cheaper than the car I'm sat in. This car is actually being given away to one of you lot for free. I'll explain later in the video, but without further ado, let's go see this. Take it away, weird man from McDonald's.
Sexy girl.
And just behind the camera, guys, is that car that I've been given the keys to that is cheaper than mine, a lot quicker than mine, a lot better looking than mine, and also a car that you could win for free. Here it is. So this right here is actually the car we are reviewing today on the channel. This is actually Calvin's Planet of Dreams M4 competition that he's giving away next Friday pretty much. And it's a pretty interesting car. I mean, listen, I found Harry Potter interesting, right? But bro, hand me the keys to a BMW M4 competition and I'll show you what interesting is. Now, this car actually has magic of its own because it's running 600 brake horsepower on hybrid turbos and a secret little source at the front of the car. Oh, no, it's just an M4. Oh, look at them. Dual air intakes on the front grille. Sucking in the air. Jesus, these trees, mate, they're not gonna know what hit them. Look at the absolute beauty of this car. But yeah, I mean the presence of this car, mate. Look how wide the car is. Even this blue that this car is in, it's making me want to go to sleep. It is so tranquil. It's like a baby blue color. Genuinely stunning. Got the competition wheels on there. This car speaks for itself, right? Even dog walkers are liking the M4 competition. Literally, this old geezer just walked past me earlier, right? And he's just looking in the car. And I was like, bruv, it's not even my car. Relax, right? I ain't trying to get it stolen when it's not even my car. He's proper looking it up and down, mate. Looking at the flipping wheels. But then he said he liked the car, so I told him where he could find it. He's actually giving it away.
What?
Planet of Dreams. If you type it in on Google, you can enter for free for this car.
Huh, really?
Yeah, I could see you in this car.
Well, it would fit, yeah.
I think your dog would like sitting in the back as well.
No, he loves cars. Anyway, I can only just dream about it, can't I?
Now, on the inside of the BMW, oh, I suddenly feel like money feels like I'm in the next tax bracket, mate. You are dripping in carbon fiber, and it's no carbon fiber, it's carbon fiber, mate. So yeah, guys, I think it's time we actually take this 600 brake horsepower M4 out on the road right now and see what this flipping car is about. Make me feel even more poorer than I actually am, guys. Now, this BMW has a pretty interesting story behind it. This is Calvin. He actually runs Planet of Dreams, which gives away cars like this Audi S1 and this Vauxhall Corsa I drove for free. Now, earlier this year, he actually came across a BMW M4 competition that needed a lot of TLC. Honestly, someone get this car and act him out, mate. Now, when Calvin actually bought the car, it had problems from electrical. It had little bits and pieces missing, like the gear gator, a little paint chip on the front. It had the wrong wheels on it, not the competition ones. It had fogged headlights, bad wheel bearing, and not to mention, the car's had more owners than your mum had when she was 18.
It's got 8 former keepers.
But regardless of the BMW M4's past relationships, Calvin actually picked this up for a steal at just £18,000, which makes it the cheapest BMW M4 competition in the country on Auto Trader at the moment. Now, over the past 2 months, he has poured a absolutely huge sum of money into this car to make it looking as perfect as it can be, completely respraying the front. He's got it driving as perfect as it can be, and overall just getting it in the most perfect condition for one of you guys out there to win this car for free using the link in my description on Planet of Dreams. In other words, he's saved this car. So before it goes to one of you lucky people out there, let's have some fun in it. Guys, what? Guys, what is actually happening right now? I've just been handed the keys to a BMW M4. What? The geezer just gave me the keys and he was like, alright, see ya. I was like, fair enough. I ain't gonna say no. Guys, you guys have watched me from a Corsa to going now. How do you drive it? Ah, there you go. Right, so that isn't. Just leaving Planet of Dreams right now. And wow, this could literally be you guys. And I'm gassed for whoever's gonna win because this is mental. It's fully spec'd out. Pro nav screen. I don't know if this all comes stock, but wow. Pro nav screen, heated seats. Oh, it doesn't have a heated steering wheel though. I'll be deducting points for that, mate. Dual front mount intakes. Sounds mad. Oh, fuck. Now listen to me right now, right? There's only one place you go when you got an M4. Can you guys think of it? Come on, it's not hard. Where do you go when you got an M4 competition, right? There's only one place in my mind to go when you got an M4 competition. Hi there, can I please get a fry supreme, please, and a tango apple?
Anything else, please?
No, that's it, thank you. You can give me a Lamborghini, but I'm still pulling up Taco Bell. Hi, thank you. You too. Yeah, she wanted me. Nah, this is goals right there. Stood outside the M4 that you won for free, eating Taco Bell. I don't think anyone will ever understand. This is literally the best day of my life. Oh, listen. Oh, mate, listen to those pops and bangs, mate. Even just going about your business, just quietly, right? It just sounds aggressive. So aggressive. It's constantly having a good time. You can hear those intakes sucking in the air. Honest to God, Milton Keynes, where we are right now, all the trees are gonna go grey. If I put my foot down for 2 seconds, all the trees are gonna start losing their leaves, mate. It shows the grapefruit technique up. It sucks the air, you can hear it. It's quite weird actually, coming into an M4 competition from an M240. It's not even too different on the interior. It feels like I'm stepping into the same brand of car, which I am. Other than the carb and everything, it feels the same. Even the wheel is actually the same, actually. Thinking about it, the wheel is the same. The only difference is all the carbon, which is the price of my car probably. That's really, and the bucket seats. There's a flipping tunnel. How could I not? Let's feel this 600 brake. Blood, the trade plate fell off. Oh my God. That noise, right? It almost, I can't even talk. It's malfunctioning in my brain, mate. You can actually tickle someone through there. Anyway, that noise is incredible. It sounds almost like my B58, right? If it hit puberty. I mean, literally, here is the sound of my BMW M240. Dead. I mean, literally, I thought my car sounded sick until I hopped in this car. This M4 competition sounds like it's a lion hunting down, mate, a reindeer. A reindeer? My M240 just sounds like it's had its vocal cords cut out after being in the M4. It literally sounds like it's had its 2 grapes cut off compared to the M4. What's quite interesting about the M4 competition rather than my car is obviously you got individual settings for the sport or comfort mode for steering, suspension and the engine. So I'm currently in sport on the engine, comfort mode on the suspension because Jesus, sport mode on this car, feels like I'm braking. Feels like literally the Rock is grabbing me and just snapping my back in half. And you got comfort and sport plus for the steering. Obviously the lighter it is. Still quite heavy in comfort to be fair. This is a lot smoother than the M240 though, I'm telling you. It feels so much smoother. When you're downshifting to even first gear, coming up to roundabouts and stuff, it is so much smoother. Even though it's a more sporty car, it's so much smoother. And look how it handles. Oh, we're not even body rolling. Just going round and roundabout. Like, my car, you'd feel like you're like tipping. Oh, mate. Oh! No, that one hit that one, you know. I don't even want to tell you what spot that one hit. But it hit a spot not many people know how to hit. Car sounds absolutely savage, guys. Even these paddles. Whew. Look, it's the same colour as that building. Only problem with this car is it's so low, you have to be careful scraping on speed bumps. I actually had to angle myself on one of these speed bumps. Blood, did you feel that let off? Literally went like this. Wow. Now, would I prefer this BMW M4 competition over my BMW 240i? I won't say the price of my 240i, but it was actually more expensive than this M4. I'd definitely say for the channel's sake, I'd rather my M240. There's a lot more to do to it. However, an M4 competition is just everything you need a car to be. It's everything we strive and try and modify our cars to be, or stock. And the reactions this car gets, crazy. It's like night and day with the M240, but this, something about it, the wheels, the shape of it, I feel like you definitely get more looks in this M4 than my M240. And as much as it's not about buying the car to have people looking at it, it's quite a nice feeling to say you spent, you know, a certain amount of money on a car and everyone looks at it, you know? So I think I'd prefer this M4 competition. Plus this is 600 brake horsepower. To get my car to 600 brake horsepower, I think I would need MEF and a new turbo, or else the stock turbo would blow up eventually, I think. Calvin's done all of the work to it to make it perfect for whoever wins this car. So there it is, guys. Unfortunately, that is my time with the BMW M4 competition all done for the day. Wow though, what a car this is, guys. What a car. This car is just 10 times more aggressive than my M240. My M240 is the baby, literally the baby of the M4. The way this car sounds, the way it looks, the widened arches, the absolutely crazy competition wheels. It is just an absolute masterpiece of a fucking car. Oh mate, that arse, I just want to lick it, mate. And guys, hopefully one day you guys will see me with an M4 competition on the channel that we'll do up. But till that day,
I'll just leech off Calvin for a bit. It's all good.
And guys, like I've said so many times in this video, all you have to do to enter for this competition is make sure you subscribe to Calvin Car Diaries on YouTube and go onto Planet of Dreams website, sign up and get your free entry for this M4 competition. I know so many people say, oh, I will never win. You'll never win if you never enter, but actually imagine being on the other side of those shutters when Calvin is unveiling your new car you've just won for free. That is a life-changing event, guys, and you will not have it if you don't enter. It is completely up to you whether you enter or not, but literally an M4 competition with a free entry, who knows, guys? Who knows if you win or not? So anyway, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. Make sure you subscribe for more cars like this on the channel. And a massive shout out to Calvin for actually letting me take the M4 out for a day. He'll never understand. You guys will never understand. This was one of my dreams. I've got no destination, nowhere to be, mate. I'm just driving gormlessly around Milton Keynes right now. But I'm in a bright blue M4, so it all makes it better.